This is the finished project of the Polaris Scrambler 4x4 build. As you can tell, we have bear claws on all 4 tires, brand new. There was a leak there, we fixed it. It has the axle, it was missing. We replaced that one too. We had this changed from the regular 2 to LED. Painted the exhaust because it was filthy looking. Fixed the brakes, now the brakes work, the tail light works. It just needs some odds and ends like some bolts. And the seat has some tears in it, but it starts right up.